Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the Nike SB Check. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a pair of Nike SB Check, and this pair is in the UK size 9, US size 10, EU size 44, and it's in the black white colourway. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by flipping up the box lid to reveal the contents inside. And let's peel back the wrapping paper to reveal the Nike SB Check in the black white colorway. And lifting out the left shoe first, and giving you a quick all-round look. And then we can take a close-up look right after. Okay, so setting the box to the left side of the table and giving us a clear full view of the Nike SB Check in the black white colorway, and giving you a full and slow rotation of the Nike SB Check. Okay, and taking a close-up look, so we can see the high contrast black white colorway, and with a white midsole which is vulcanized towards the suede upper cover, so you can see that really smooth suede upper cover, and with the white painted or printed Nike swoosh, and you can see that fine graining texture, slightly distressed look to that Nike swoosh. And taking a look at the heel part of the shoe and the inside of the shoe as well. So once again, we see the white Nike swoosh on the black suede upper cover. And taking a look at the sole of the shoe, we can see that radiating sunburst or starburst pattern from the ball of the forefoot, radiating outwards across the length of the sole. And there is a Nike swoosh towards the heel area as well. And taking a closer up look at the sole, it is a very dark brown, almost like a black, and just giving you some idea of the stickiness and stiffness of the tread as I try and drag my index finger along the sole, so you can hear that unbroken texture of the outsole. And taking a look from the front head on towards the back of the shoe. So you can see that very fine suede upper cover in black, along with the black traditional lacing and the Nike SB square patch on the tongue, which is padded. And taking a look at the tongue, you can see it does have a decent amount of padding. And the details and product label on the inside of the tongue. And let's remove the paper stuffing that's inside so we have a clearer look inside the shoe. So you can see the Nike SB branding on the insole or sock liner. So it does have a foam sock liner. And of course there are variations to the Nike SB check in terms of the kind of padding for the sock liner or insole, as they do sometimes come with the Solar Soft sock liner, but in this case it is the foam sock liner. And taking a look around the ankle, there is a decent amount of padding around the ankle collar of the shoe, right throughout and around the heel as well. So just giving you a look at that padding and bolstering of the ankle and heel collar. And in terms of the insole, as I mentioned, this one does come with a foam insole, as opposed to variations where it comes with a Solar Soft insole. And with Solar Soft, there is normally a patch at the back heel that advertises the Solar Soft as well. And now let's do a flex and bend test with my hands, just to give you some idea of the movement and rigidity or flexibility of this Nike SB Check with the suede upper cover and foam sock liner. Okay, so now let's take a look at the right shoe. So we're going to set the left shoe on the tabletop towards the right hand side of the frame or table. Let's bring the shoe box back around, peeling it back the wrapping paper to reveal the right shoe, and let's lift it out from the box and setting it right back on the left side, so we have a nice clear look at this right shoe side or right foot side of the Nike SB Check in black, white, white. So once again, you can see that high contrast black and white design with that printed white Nike swoosh and vulcanized white midsole. And doing a rotation once again 360, so you have a complete view of the shoe. And now taking a close-up look and at the suede details once again, as I brush my index finger along the different panels, so you can see that white distress printed swoosh, and right round on the inner side of the shoe with a smaller Nike swoosh. And the Nike SB patch on the padded Nike tongue, as well as the ankle and heel collar. And doing a flex and bend test once again, but this time on the right shoe, just to give you some idea of the movement and stiffness or flexibility of this shoe. And taking a close-up look at the outsole again, or bottom of the shoe, and dragging my finger across it to give you some idea of the not yet broken in surface, which is non-marking and consistent right throughout the entire length of that sole. And now let's take a look at the pair up close together. A Nike SB Check in black, white, and in UK size 9, US size 10, EU size 44. So that's Nike SB Check. Thanks for watching and happy skateboarding!